Hello and welcome to this session. Today we will see how to mock static methods using Mockito. As example, the now method from the local date classes. So let's get started. For our demo, I prepared this small project. It is a backend application and I'm defining here a model with these properties, ID, name, and I am adding this embeddable class. It contains some auditing information that are saved whenever an entity is created or changed. For example, I'm using these two callback methods, pre-persist and pre-update, and I want separated from the main entities, and the test is to check whether these two methods are working properly. So the pre-persist is triggered just before writing or sending the change to the database, before flashing, and the pre-update is just before doing a change or merge. And these two fields are filled with now. Now is local date. So it is not time, it is a date. And I prepared this test here, this unit test. So I am just creating one item, and this is my DAO. This is the item. I save the item, and I'm retrieving the same item from the database and checking. The expectation is that the creation date should be equal to today and the updated date should be null. And after that, I'm doing some change on the entities and saving it again using the merge this time. And after that, I'm retrieving the entity from the database and checking that the creation date and the updated dates are both equal to today. So let's run the test, and we can even check in the database. I'm using H2, and you see the test is green, so everything works as expected. And we can even see in the database, you see here that the creation field and the updated field are both filled with the correct date. But my problem now is whether in the second time when we update the entity, this field shouldn't be updated. And the problem is that now is always returning the current date, so we cannot check whether this one has been changed during the update or not. And for that, one idea, regardless whether mocking static method is a good practice or not, we will try to mock that, and for that we will use this trick. I will just add this block, this try block, and I will define tomorrow. I will define tomorrow here. This is today, and tomorrow is using this minus days. And in this try block, Mockito is telling the program to return this date instead of the now. Whenever this method is called, it should call this one. And we write that, we can see that using the print function, and we will see if this will work. So this is the actual. We don't need this one. And we don't need this one as well. And let's see. So now instead of today, it should be tomorrow. Tomorrow. Why? Because second time when we try to merge, so the now will return this tomorrow, this value from here. Yeah. And let's run. First we stop the database and we run the test again. And we see if it will work. We got an error here. Let's see what is the problem. So this is the problem. You need to add this dependency in the POM, but I want to make you aware of that. So this is the Maven dependency Mockito inline. Let's reload the project and see if it will work now. So the project has been updated. So let's run again. Let's run. Okay, now it is saying another problem. Java local time because this date is null. You know why? Because the merge, the call of now happens outside this try method. There is another option. When mocking the static, you can tell it to Mockito. You can use this option. These options just tell the program to return the fake value whenever it is used. So now let's see if it works. I'm running the test again. And you see it is green, it works, and we can also check the database. Let's check the database. And you see that, okay, so the created date type step remains the same. However, the updated that step is updated with the new value. I will add the GitHub link to this project in the description. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching and bye.